David Coon with Natural State Supernatural. We're here at a cemetery just outside of Little Rock, and we're here at the grave of Will McClain. Legend says that McClain is the ghost who haunts the tracks near Gurdon, Arkansas, and who is the source of the famous Gurdon Light. On December 4th, 1931, he was helping to investigate the attempted derailment of the Sunshine Special, which was the Missouri Pacific's fastest passenger train in those days. A few days before McClain's murder, someone had pulled all the railroad spikes out of a section of rail south of Gurdon in an apparent attempt to derail the train. If that had happened, there would have undoubtedly been a great loss of life, but luckily a slow freight train came along first, and though 14 cars were wrecked, no one was seriously injured. At the time, the Missouri Pacific was resisting attempts to unionize its workforce, and there's some evidence to suggest that the saboteurs were pro-union men. McClain was on the track spur leading to Norman on December 4th, 1931, when he confronted a black railroad worker named Louis McBride, who he apparently suspected knew something about the attempted derailment. McBride later confessed to police that after striking McClain in the head with a shovel, he bashed his skull in with a spike maul, basically a large sledgehammer with a blunt point on one side used for driving railroad spikes. McBride reportedly hit McClain 4 times in the head. A mob who later went to the scene to search for the body found a blood trail along the rail bed that was over a quarter of a mile long. Though McBride came close to being lynched for the crime, he was transferred to Arkadelphia for his own safety and eventually tried and convicted for the murder there. He was executed in the electric chair at the Walls Penitentiary in Little Rock in the summer of 1932. Soon after McClain's murder, drivers along Highway 53 just outside Gurdon began reporting seeing a strange yellowish light on the tracks near the Sandy Creek Railroad crossing. The legend has grown up that this light is McClain's railroad lantern and that he is doomed to wander the tracks where he was murdered.